Hi guys! Have you guys heard of Smurf Cat? Because I had no idea who Smurf Cat was until I received this comment. Apparently Smurf Cat was a trending meme on TikTok, but it's kind of a dead meme now. So I'm starting off by making Smurf Cat's head. So Smurf Cat is basically a mixture between a Smurf, cat, and a mushroom. I drew out the cat's muzzle with a Sharpie just so it's easier to shape. Now I'm cutting the mushroom part of the head. And I made the face a little too big, so I'm going to shrink that down. And I wanted this to be a bit more detailed, so I'm creating dents under the mushroom. While that dries, I'm going to make the body. I thought I could shape everything in one piece, but I realized that that's too difficult, so I ended up shaping the torso and legs separately. These are supposed to be the arms, but they kind of look like forks. I made a few other parts off camera, such as this snail. The backside of Smurf Cat is supposed to have a stick, grapes, and a snail, so I'm going to glue all these pieces together with Fabric Fusion. For my base coat, I painted it with white puffy paint. And then I'm going to go in with the actual colors. Make sure each layer is fully dry before moving on to the next. Puffy paint takes hours to dry, so usually I let them air dry like this. But if you're in a rush, you can use a blow dryer to speed up the process. After 4 coats of paint, the squishy is almost done now. All that's left is to paint the final details. And here's the finished Smurf Cat squishy. Honestly, the more I worked on the squishy, the more I felt like giving up because it was turning more and more ugly. But now that the squishy is all done, I think it turned out okay. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!